Okay, review tayo for our coming civil service exam and sagutan natin tong each problem at i-analyze po natin. Okay, so Kim is 1/4 as old as her father, who is 2 years older than her mother. When Kim was born, the sum of the ages of her father and mother was 50. The question here is, how old was her mother when Kim was born? Okay, pag mga itong problem, binibigyan po talaga nila ng trick or twist para mas mahirapan tayo. Pero ang technique, mag-focus po kayo kung alin po doon yung tinatanong at i-analyze po natin yung problem. So dito ang tinatanong yung edad daw po ng kanyang ina. Okay, para makuha po natin yung edad ng kanyang ina, kailangan po muna natin malaman yung edad ng kanyang father. Kasi sabi niya dito, the ages of her father and mother was 50. So, yan lang po yung given na number dito sa ating problem. So, ito yung kanyang father at ito yung kanyang mother. So, let M para doon sa mother. Okay. So, dito sabi niya, ang edad daw ng kanyang father is 2 years older than her mother. Meaning, 2 years older than mother. So, M plus 2. Okay. At yung kabuuan daw niyan, ang edad daw ng kanyang ama at ng kanyang ina is equal to 50. Okay, so i-add lang po natin ito at equals to 50. So m plus m is 2m plus 2 is equal to 50. Kasi yung edad ng kanyang father at mother ay equal to 50. So nakuha na po natin yung equation. Ito na po yung equation natin. Dito nilagyan lang nila ng 1/4 dahil pampagulo lang. Okay. Para mag-focus po kayo doon sa tanong, para maiwan po yung 2m, ilipat po natin yung 2 dito sa kabila. Dito addition. So basically magiging subtraction dyan. So 2m is equal to 50 minus 2. So 2m is equal to 48. Para maiwan yung m, divide lang natin both sides by 2. Okay, therefore m, lagyan na natin dito. M is equal to 48 divided by 2 is 24. Therefore, the answer is letter C, 24. Okay, mag-focus po kayo doon sa tanong at i-analyze po natin yung problem para hindi po tayo magulo at malito po doon sa sagot. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips.